Having a level of confidence about yourself can be difficult depending on where you stand on the self-worth and the self-love spectrum. However, it's important to note that if you feel confident in yourself, it will show to other people in many different ways, sometimes even in ways that you haven't thought about. Women love men who show a good level of confidence about themselves, and it makes them more attracted to you. So, how can you show that you are confident in your own body without actually going over the line into the cockiness side of things? Well, we've done some research and we found some things that women look out for when they are actively looking for a partner. So listen up, boys, it's about time you got a class in confidence. Here we go, like and subscribe. Your body language is vital when you are entering any situation with anyone, regardless of what you want the outcome to be. Your body language can tell another person a lot about how you feel in yourself before words leave your mouth. If you know what you are looking for, then it will become easier for you to alter your body language to feel more confident as time goes on. Women will often scan your body language before they approach you to try and gauge what type of person you are. During conversations, even if you appear to be interested, your body language could be telling a different story. But unless you don't know what to look out for, then you wouldn't know. How crazy does that sound? Your shoulders. Walking with your shoulders back instantly makes your chest appear bigger and elevates your confidence to a new level. Even if you don't feel confident in yourself, drop your shoulders and lift your chin. I can guarantee you will be able to notice people's eyes gravitating towards you as you walk past. Your posture. Having a posture is good for many reasons, especially when it comes to radiating confidence. Those who walk with their eyes looking down, their shoulders slumped and their back arched gives off the vibes that they are insecure and almost too timid to speak to anyone. Whereas if you were to stand up straight and walk with your head held high and your spine straight and your hands relaxed by your side, you will instantly radiate a confidence that will have a ripple effect on the room as you walk in. And do you want to know what else boosts your confidence? Having clear, youthful looking skin, and this is how you do it with Tiege Hanley. Tiege Hanley makes everything so simple. They take the guesswork out of what products you need. Now I recommend you start with the level 1 system, which is this box right here. It comes with all of the basics so that you don't feel overwhelmed with where to begin. A daily face wash to get rid of the dirt and grime on your skin, a 2 times per week exfoliating scrub to get rid of those dead skin cells, an AM moisturizer with SPF 20 because you should always be protecting your skin from the sun, and my favorite, a nice PM moisturizer to help your skin stay hydrated and healthy throughout the night. Now, my favourite part about Tiege Hanley is that every single box comes with an instruction card, just like this, that tells you when to use each product, how much to use, and in what order. And guys, they really make the process of achieving and maintaining amazing looking skin incredibly easy. In addition to amazing skin, members of Tiege Hanley get tons of benefits, including at least 25% off the retail price, the ability to customize your box, exclusive monthly deals, pause or cancel at any time, and free US shipping and low-cost shipping to most other countries. And because Tiege Hanley is sponsoring today's video, they are offering my viewers an amazing deal. Just click the first link down in that description below and you will get 30% off your first box plus a free gift. So click the link and get started today. Listen to others. Showing a genuine interest in the people around you and the conversations that they are having instantly makes you more attractive to the women around you too. This shows that you have a confidence in yourself that does not make you insecure when it comes to other people taking the spotlight in a conversation. Not only does listening to others show that you have manners about you, but it also gives off a nice guy vibe that a lot of women look for when looking for a partner. Showing a genuine interest in other people makes other people feel comfortable around you and have a good impression of you, which in turn will help to grow your confidence because you are around positive people that are nice to you as you are nice to them. Having manners. We're always told growing up to use please and thank you in pretty much any situation, as having manners is a basic human decency and shows a level of respect that each individual should receive. When you display these manners around women, it also gives off the vibe that you are confident in yourself and you were raised correctly to treat others as you would like to be treated, with a level of respect. Whether you are speaking to the waiter who is serving you your food on a date or the CEO of a company that you are wanting to be hired at, the same level of respect should be shown. Regardless of a person's background, gender, age, job title, you get it, etc. You should approach them all with the same level of respect and show manners to them. I can guarantee that if you are polite and friendly to everyone that you come into contact with, not only will they return that favour, but your confidence in yourself will grow, increasing your attractiveness towards women. Eye contact. When you walk into a room and make eye contact with someone, you are instantly creating an unspoken bond with them. You can quickly figure out if they want you to approach them or to avoid them. When you make eye contact with someone whilst you are talking to them or when you are listening to them, you are essentially letting them know that they have your full undivided attention and that you are fully engrossed in what they are saying. Now, doing this creates a sense of stability and comfort for them, especially women, as they feel that men often don't listen to them. Trust me when I say, if you make eye contact with her whenever you can, it will be a big thing for her, and more than often in certain situations, it will turn her on massively. Good vibes only. Avoiding any negative vibes when you can is very important when you are trying to work on your confidence. If you surround yourself with negative people who only talk about negative situations or talk negatively about themselves, it is very easy for you to absorb that negativity and start to feel negative about yourself. The longer you are around people like this, the more you will start to mirror their way of thinking, and it will show when you interact with other people. If you try to keep your self-talk positive, then you will start to create a new level of self-worth and confidence that will be noticeable to other people. No one wants to be around someone who talks badly about others, right? Because then it would make them think about what they would say if they were not around. Good vibes only. Smile. We have all heard the saying that you will never fully dress without a smile. And you know what, guys? It's very true. A smile could instantly change your demeanor and the way that other people view you. Smiling at someone can become contagious as they will mirror you and smile back, often without giving it a second thought. So if you enter a room with a smile on your face, not only will people smile back and look at you, but you would also feel a new level of confidence or appear to be more confident as you make eye contact with people. If you smile often, you create the persona that you are friendly and approachable, which is something a lot of women look for when looking for a partner. Women don't want to be with someone who looks moody and miserable all the time, so get those pearly whites out and say cheese every opportunity you get. Now, don't get it twisted. We understand that if you are not feeling confident in yourself, it may not be easy to just snap your fingers and have mass amounts of confidence. It's something that can take time, and it's actually a lot of effort internally to get to a point that you feel comfortable with. With these tips and tricks, you can fake it until you make it and appear to be more confident, which in turn will attract more women towards you. Hopefully, after going through these in your head a couple of times and maybe even standing in front of the mirror, you will start to feel a new sense of pride and confidence about yourself so that when you go out there and start dating again, you will feel amazing.